Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your DAW and inserting Voxengo Recorder on the track you want to capture. First, choose the physical input and set the sample rate. 48 kHz is common because matching rates avoids clicks. Once done, arm the track and check levels so the recorder sees signal but doesn't clip. Make sure monitoring is routed how you prefer. If you need low latency, lower buffer size. This gets you recording ready and prevents early mistakes that force retakes. Now you configure how Voxengo Recorder saves audio. Pick stereo or mono and set format and bit depth, usually 24-bit WAV for headroom. Next, choose a clear naming convention and destination folder so files stay organized, and decide if you want auto-splitting by markers or time intervals. If you plan multiple takes, enable pre-roll or punch-in so you hit precise starts. Take comp features let you assemble the best parts later. These settings control file quality and workflow efficiency. Press record and perform. Watch meters and adjust input or trim if peaks approach 0 dB to avoid clipping. Once finished, stop and immediately verify the recorded file plays back in metadata. Sample rate, bit depth matches your session, then copy the file to a backup location. If you encounter no signal, check routing in the DAW, confirm the Voxengo plugin is active, and verify OS audio permissions. One key tip: mute other tracks to isolate the source when troubleshooting signal loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.